Namaste students, I welcome you all in Anupama classes through YouTube channel. Students, today we will read another topic, industrial development from the second chapter 1950 to 1990 or 5-year plans in India, goals and achievement. So industrial sector, we talk about the industries play very important role in any of the economy. Why? Because it provides employment and it is said that employment in industrial sector is more stable than the employment in the agriculture. Secondly, it promotes modernization, and this increases the living standard of people and overall bring the prosperity in country, right? So let us find out what was the state of industries or industrial sector at the time of independence, right? See, we had very few or limited variety of varieties of industries, well-known cotton, textile, we had jute industry and we had iron and steel firms. We didn't had many industries, we didn't had many varieties of industries, only few industries were there. So it was necessary to develop industry in the country now. Okay, for developing industries in the country, policy makers have to face some questions. They had the problem like or issue like who should be given more role, whether there should be the role of government in industries or the role of private sector should be more in industries. Finally, it was decided government will play more role in the industrial sector due to some of the reasons. So let us find out what were the reason due to which government had to play a major role in industrial sector, or we can give the heading role of government in industrial sector. In industrial sector, the first point was shortage of capital with private entrepreneur. First reason, shortage of capital with private entrepreneur means private entrepreneur did not had enough capital to invest in industries required for the development of the country, right? उनके पास इतना कैपिटल नहीं था कि वो इन्वेस्ट कर सके इंडस्ट्रीज में जो हमारे कंट्री के लिए जरूरत थी, राइट? और हम इसमें ये मान के चलते हैं टाटा एंड बिरला were the only private entrepreneur. Tata and Birla were only private entrepreneur कारण था, ड्यू टू द प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर के पास कैपिटल नहीं था कि वो इन्वेस्ट कर सके इंडस्ट्रीज में, तो ये कारण था। तो जहां पर गवर्नमेंट हैड टू इन्वेस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्रीज देन द प्राइवेट सेक्टर, ठीक है। तो गवर्नमेंट प्लेड अ मेजर रोल। सेकेंड हम मान के चलते हैं, लैक ऑफ इंसेंटिव्स फॉर प्राइवेट मीन्स, हम अगर लैक ऑफ इंसेंटिव्स फॉर प्राइवेट्स की बात करते हैं, मार्केट जो इंडियन मार्केट थी ना, मार्केट वॉज नॉट टू लार्ज टू एनकरेज प्राइवेट एंटरप्रेन्योर टू टेक big project in their hand, right? मार्केट इतनी बड़ी नहीं थी, मार्केट बहुत छोटी थी। तो जब मार्केट ही छोटी थी, डिमांड ही बहुत कम थे, तो प्राइवेट ओनर्स बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट अपने हाथ में ले भी नहीं पा रहे थे, राइट? सेकेंड, अब डिमांड वाज लेस, एंड उसके बाद डिमांड फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल गुड वाज टू लेस। इंडस्ट्रियल गुड की जो डिमांड थी ना, वो और भी कम थी, वाज आल्सो लेस। अगर हम ये चलते हैं, थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव हम देखते हैं, दैट वाज ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ टू अचीव सोशल जस्टिस एंड इक्विटी। Social justice and equity was the main aim or the objective of 5-year plan. So, in order to achieve social justice and equity, state government, it was decided that state government has to play or to participate more in the industrial sector, right? Only then there can be, or the government can achieve social justice and equity. वापस बता दो, in order to achieve social justice and equity, it was decided that state government had to play important role in the industrial sector. और अगर हम ये प्राइवेट सेक्टर के में हाथ में दे देते हैं, तो वो जो डिस्पैरिटी है वो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगी रिच और पुअर के बीच में। सो ये कारण थे कि वी डिसाइडेड दैट गवर्नमेंट शुड हैव मेजर रोल इन द इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर। तो आज के लिए इतना ही, रेस्ट आई विल डू इट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। So students, if you like this video, please like it, share it, comment and subscribe it. Thank you students.